Now this is more interesting. Is compute using reference angle to find the exact value of the pressure. Using reference and coterminal. So number 26 say sine of 495. Es obvio que 495 es bigger than 360, entonces yo subtracting 360. 495 minus 360 is equal 135. Wow, fantastic. 135 lie in the second quadrant. 135 degrees. Okay. And then my reference angle is obvio que es this guy, alpha, que es 45. Entonces now, compute sine 45. And sine 45 is the famous root 2 or 2. But this is a moment now to verification or checking the signs. Bueno, en the second quadrant es obvio que the sign is positive. O sea, the answer is root 2 or 2. Exactly like option D. Yes. Okay, let's move into 27. 27 is tangent 750 degree. Well, 750 is a little bit big. Entonces, I recommend doing the division. You divide 750 divided by 360. Yes, 2 point something. 2.083 repeated. Entonces, you remove the whole part, 0.083 repeated, multiplication by 360, and the answer is 30. Wow, fantastic. The 750 lie in the first quadrant. And then, entonces, I can infer que tangent 750 is equal to tangent 30 degrees because 30 and 750 are coterminal. And the answer is root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 3. You can see in the table, the blue table probably, yeah. Root 3 over 3. Root 3 over 3 is C. Okay, now 28 is cosecant 600 degrees. Bueno, cosecant 600 degrees. You subtracting 600 is not too much. It's one revolution and one more. I need to find one more. 600 degree minus 360 is 240. Oh, 240 is good. 240 lie in the third quadrant. So our theta angle lie here. 240. 240 degree. This is theta. And this is alpha. So alpha is 60. Entonces cosecant 60 is 1 over sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 over 2. 1 over root 3 over 2. Okay, now let me write that part. Reciprocal. Reciprocal is 2 over root 3. Rationalization is 2 root 3 over 3. Pero I need to understand the sign. The sign is positive or negative. Well, the original angle, not the reference. The reference is always in the first quadrant, but the original lie in the third quadrant. I know very, very well que cosecant, que es a family of sine, is negative. The answer is negative. So the final answer is negative. Negative, you adjust the sign. Negative who? Negative 2 root 3 over 3, like option B. Cool. Very well. Let me erase the board. Let's move on to 29, no? 29, yeah. 29 say cotangent 390 degrees. Okay. 390 degrees is bigger than 360, so one revolution and one more thing. One more thing you can find easy. Subtracting 360. 390 degree minus 360 degree is 30. Wow, fantastic. So 390 degree lie in the first quadrant. This is equal cotangent 30 degree. Cotangent 30 degree. And cotangent, wow, is a reciprocal tangent. 30 degree. Tangent 30 degree, I remember YC and the blue table que es root 3 over 3. The reciprocal of this is 3 over root 3. Rationalization, 3 root 3 is 3 root 3 over 3. Cancel out the 3 is root 3. What about the sign? The sign is obviously positive because this is the coterminal of this. Lie in the first quadrant is positive. The root 3, option C. Option C. Okay. 30. 30 is easy. The sign of negative 2 pi over 3. Now one more time we have negative angle. But don't worry too much. You apply the property for the odd. Sine is odd function, so this negative go outside. And you focus it in the compute the sine 2 pi over 3 in degree is 120. Okay, this is equivalent to say minus sine 120. 120 lie in the second quadrant. I know very well the sine of any angle in the second quadrant is positive. Just suppose I don't remember 120, but it's easier because 120 lie in the second quadrant. Approximately in that position. And the reference angle alpha is this, get 60. Yeah, es 60. Entonces at least the value of the sine 60, que sine 60 degree is root 3 over 2, no? Root 3 over 2. It's the same value of this. But remember the mnemonic divide, all students take calculus, and the second quadrant the sign is positive. But don't forget the original negative is put outside. Therefore, the final answer in this example is minus root 3 over 2. Exactly the option A. Beautiful. Finally, tangent 31. Tangent 7 pi over 6. Okay. By the way, 7 pi over 6 expressed in degree. You want to see, you look in the unit circle, is your multiplication. So you replace, suppose I want to understand much better this angle, and so you put 7 multiplication 180 divided by 6. 180 divided by 6. Es obvio que es 210. 210, no necessary calculator. 210 degree. 210 degree lie in the third quadrant. Here. 210. Third quadrant. And the reference angle is this, get 30 degree. And tangent 30 is root 3 over 3. Tangent 30 root 3 over 3. But the sign, what's the problem with the sign? Ah, nice. This tangent and the third quadrant is positive. So this is the answer, root 3 over 3. D. End the story. Very well.